Script starts with a dark screen and dramatic sound effect. Is your YouTube channel terminated? Don't panic. This can be a stressful situation, but there are steps you can take to get it back. Here's how to get it back. Follow these steps carefully and you'll increase your chances of reinstating your channel. Step 1. Compose a professional email. This is your first line of defense. Alright, first things first, you need to compose a professional email. This email should be clear, concise, and respectful. Open your email client and address it to either support@youtube.com or youtube@google.com. These are the official support emails for YouTube. Your subject line should be clear and direct. Channel termination appeal. This helps the support team understand the nature of your request immediately. In the body of the email, explain the issue clearly. Detail the circumstances that led to the termination and why you believe it was a mistake. Include your channel URL and request a review of the termination. This is crucial as it helps the support team locate your channel quickly. Remember, keep your email professional and provide all necessary details. Avoid emotional language and stick to the facts. Step 2. Submit an appeal form. This is another important step in the process. Next, head over to the YouTube Help Center website. This is where you'll find the official appeal form. Navigate to the Appeal Channel Termination section. This section is specifically designed for cases like yours. Click on it and fill out the form. Make sure to read all instructions carefully before you start. Make sure to highlight fields like channel name, email address, and reason for appeal. These fields are essential for the review process. When filling out the appeal, be specific and factual about your case. Provide any evidence that supports your claim. Provide accurate information and don't leave anything out. Double-check all the details before submitting. Step 3. Wait for a response. This is often the most challenging part. Now comes the hard part, waiting. It might take several days to get a response, so stay patient. Use this time to prepare any additional information that might be requested. Keep an eye on your email for a notification from YouTube. Check your inbox regularly and be ready to respond promptly. This is a good time to prepare any additional information they might request. Having everything ready can speed up the process. Step 4. Celebrate recovery. Finally, if all goes well, you'll receive an email notifying you that your channel has been reinstated. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Congratulations! Your YouTube channel is back and ready to rock. You've successfully navigated the appeal process. Feel free to celebrate, you've earned it. Share the good news with your friends and followers. Closing. Remember, persistence and professionalism are key. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to CUI Beats for more tips and tricks to up your content game. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Stay positive, stay creative, and keep going. Your journey doesn't end here. It's just the beginning.